Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the first edition of PAgE', which is the Principles of Agentic Engineering workshop at PLDI. We have a stellar organizing committee, including folks from Microsoft Research, University of Washington, and University of California, Berkeley. And thanks to PLDI, thanks for being here, and thanks to PLDI organizers for hosting us. So what the motivation behind this workshop is, this community has gotten good at making software reliable, but agents pose a new challenge. Agents are, they plan, they call tools, and there are tool outputs, there's memory. So this program of agents consists of prompts, tool calls, memory, and dynamic traces, which are being updated at runtime. So this poses a new set of challenges, like so some concrete challenges with agents is, as you'll see in the talks today, is they are a long horizon, so the traces can go on for like thousands of like tool calls, interactive sessions, and they're also probabilistic. So the non-determinism is inherent in the agent world. In each input, each different prompt can, each same prompt can lead to different outputs. And also, there's a lot of external dependencies like tool calls, databases, a lot of system backend is being called during the agent session. And of course, the problem we all struggle with, like the specifications are ambiguous, and extracting executable contracts from them is a big challenge. So what we hope to do today is the folks like connect with the different interdisciplinary folks in this room, like programming languages, AI, and share ideas, interact with each other during the talks, and also hopefully at the end of it, we'll have like a research community. We keep collaborating and exchange ideas and have an agenda that we all care about. So just a quick logistics about PAgE'. So this is the first edition, and we have 10 contributed talks, 2 keynotes, and 34 authors across 3 countries and 10 institutions. So this is just the first edition, and we hope that as the years go by, this will grow, and a lot of folks from the programming languages community especially would care about this problem. So yeah, I won't take up too much time. You must have seen the agenda for today. So without further ado, it is my pleasure to introduce our first keynote, Gagandeep Singh. He's a professor at UIUC, where his group works on bringing formal guarantees to AI systems. He also co-leads the Science and Technology group at the Institute of Governance and Public Affairs, focusing on AI governance and the future of work in AI. And his work has been recognized through the NSF Career Award, Google Research Scholar Award, multiple Amazon Research Awards, and an Open Philanthropy Research Grant. So today he's going to talk about what formal methods can offer to the frontier of AI. And yeah, please welcome Gagandeep Singh.